Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining KB Boat and Yacht Repair. Today we're only focusing on how to make Gelcoat paste. Normally you could go to fiberglass coating and buy yourself some Gelcoat paste pre-made, or you could make it yourself. On this particular video, I'm gonna show you guys the best way and the easy way to make Gelcoat paste, low cost, and you don't have to pay for the extra Gelcoat paste at the store. So guys, before you get started, you're gonna need some Gelcoat. So today guys, I am using ultra white Gelcoat. You can use any Gelcoat you want, but I'm using ultra white Gelcoat today. I got myself a mixing pot. I got some Duratec. The reason why I'm using Duratec, because the Duratec helps it from not cracking. By you applying the Duratec to the Gelcoat, it help it give it, kind of keep it firm but not too loose, but not too easy to break, basically. And I am using fume silica today. So the next step is to pour yourself some Gelcoat in your cup, get some Duratec, and then I'm gonna show you the mixing ratio in between each. I'm going to pour myself 3 ounces of Gelcoat. As you can see, it's a little bit lumpy. I'm gonna show you the best way to get rid of your lumps. So guys, continue watching, and if you like this video and it's very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I also pour myself an ounce of Duratec. I have my cup marked. I should have showed you guys where I marked my cup. My Duratec was getting a little bit old, so I'm going to strain that too. After I pour myself an ounce of Duratec, I'm going to pour it in this container here. Alrighty. The next step is to get yourself a strainer, but you got to stir this up. Mix it in, mix it in. Right after I'm done, mix it in. Got myself a strainer. We pour it inside the strainer. Everything out. I could do. By stirring it, you help it make it goes down a little bit easier. As you can see, it's running out. It's nice. And by you stirring it, you're avoiding the lumps. Because when you're making your Gelcoat patch, it's supposed to be smooth. No lumps and stuff supposed to be in it. You're supposed to mix it out like almost like a dough, basically. And I will show you when you get to that consistency that you're looking for. And if you find this video very helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. I appreciate it. As you can see, all the trash in the bottom. It's still coming out. And that's it right there. So just squeeze a little bit more out, you know. That's it. All right. Container. Boom, boom, boom. Next step. Let's mix your fume silica in it. Don't forget to wear a mask. Dust mask will help. Then don't try to pack it up all at once, because if you pack it up all at once, then you're going to spill over. Just like that, you're going to spill over. You want to have less spill as much as possible. And then you can see start to thick up. And then when you get to that point, just take your time and add a little bit more. Add a little bit more. So you can see it better. See, that's how refined it is, nice and smooth. This is the consistency that you want, nice and smooth. So when you apply your Gelcoat patch, it's not running off or it's not too lumpy. And that's it, guys. Thank you for joining KB Boat and Yacht.